Welcome to the next episode of the BeForward.jp camping series. We're going to take a closer look at two intriguing premieres created by the LAC Group Japan for the 2026 season. Both cars are based on the new Kia PV5 platform. LAC EV Camper P based on Kia PV5 Passenger. Let's start with a model based on a passenger van, a version designed for carrying people. First, here are some technical details. The Kia PV5 measures 469 centimeters in length, 190 centimeters in height, and 189 centimeters in width. Compared to vans dominating the Japanese market, its exterior dimensions are almost identical, but the interior configuration is completely different. The difference is most noticeable in interior height, but we'll get to that in a moment. Now, let's focus on the living space layout. The LAC Group's design has a bunch of useful features, and the electric-powered base vehicle made it a lot easier to build a camping vehicle that's really practical. Of course, it's a van conversion, so it has its limitations. However, it is purposely designed to be as versatile as possible for various daily use cases. You get a two-in-one van that's ready for a trip at a moment's notice. The German brand Westphalia began this concept in 1951 and made it very popular across Europe. The LAC EV Camper P impresses with its intuitive, simple design. A portable refrigerator and a microwave that is powered by the vehicle's traction battery are included, thereby eliminating the need for an additional, expensive, and often failure-prone aftermarket electrical system. The portability of a refrigerator offers greater flexibility in everyday use as the family's only vehicle. It is also an advantage when camping. Another benefit of using an electric car as the basis for a camper van is that you don't need aftermarket external air conditioning and heating systems. These systems take up a lot of space, often have efficiency issues, and are another element that requires customization and can malfunction unexpectedly. With this vehicle, you can heat and cool the interior while parked, and all of this can be controlled remotely via a Kia phone app. Keep in mind that the car you're looking at is a pre-production design, so it may not look its finest at this stage, but imagine that this is only the beginning. LAC certainly won't disappoint, and we'll surely see a stunning production version soon. You can see the base car's incredible potential and the possibilities for further expansion and customization to suit customers' expectations. Imagine adding a pop-up roof like the Westphalia. It could be a breakthrough product not only in Japan but worldwide. LAC EV Camper C based on Kia PV5 Cargo. LAC is currently developing an additional camping vehicle which is derived from the cargo version of the Kia PV5. In terms of functionality, the interior is slightly more practical, focusing on camping rather than being a car intended for a variety of purposes. It's a perfect fit for young enthusiasts of adventure. It is supplied with an integrated sink and compact freshwater and greywater tanks. Comes with a built-in refrigerator and microwave. As with the passenger car-based model, this is a pre-production version. For now, it might lack refinement, proper camping double-glazed windows, adequate ventilation, and a distribution system that delivers cooled or heated air through ducts or the integrated headliner system. But don't worry, LAC has the expertise and the final product will amaze you. Considering the platform being used to build these camper vans, it's worth noting that the floor of the Kia PV5 is set very low at 40 centimeters. This is 21 centimeters lower than the Japanese vans that dominate the local market, the Nissan Caravan and the Toyota Hiace. Even so, the ground clearance is the same as the vehicles mentioned at 17.5 centimeters. Perhaps most importantly, the body is 10 centimeters lower than that of combustion-powered competitors, yet it has 25 centimeters more interior height. The Toyota and Nissan offer respective interior heights of 152 centimeters in vehicles that are 225 centimeters tall, which means parking space availability is often limited. With the Kia PV5, depending on the version chosen, 72 or 51 kilowatts is available as a power source for your camping needs and mobility purposes. We eagerly await the release of models where camper van manufacturers incorporate the Kia PV5 Chassis CAB into the Overcab and low-profile camping cars. Ideally, they would adopt a monocoque construction for the living area, such as FRP. The evolution of recreational vehicles has reached a pivotal stage. Today, advancements in technology are set to make these vehicles more sophisticated, effective, and comfortable.
EV camping cars promise enhanced resilience against such frequent and unexpected technical failures of third-party electrical and climate components.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, hit the like button, and subscribe.
Check out the full Be Forward series dedicated to Japanese camping cars.
You'll find the playlist link in the description below.